Robots and AI have always been a fascinating thing for humans. Through various movies and our own imagination, we all have idea what an advanced robot or AI should do. Today we will discuss about the latest advancement in robot and how they fit into metaverse. Welcome to another exciting episode of Tech News, and before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our future videos. Humans are far more complex and superior to robots in almost all aspects. Engineers and scientists are working very hard to develop machinery that can copy the function and intelligence of human body. Such machinery or robots is called humanoid robots or android. Ameca is the latest generation of humanoid robot designed by Engineer Arts after 15 years of hard work. This UK-based company has released promotional video of the human-like robot known as Ameca. It's being described as the world's most advanced human-shaped robot, representing the forefront of human robotic technology. You can see how it's expressing by opening eyes and being surprised, making faces and moving hands and shoulders. Without even saying a word, it's able to express itself. This is the very basic characteristic needed to communicate like human. Will Jackson, the founder of Engineer Arts, says the reason for making a robot that looks like a person is to interact with people. Ameca is gender neutral and race neutral, which is an interesting approach for robots. It has been given a grey face as it has basic human characteristic, like expressing without speaking and body gestures like human, which is a lot different from robots taking commands and responding verbally. A lot of people are working on AI, which is digital artificial intelligence. Ameca will be a platform for these AI, and it's a lot different from other robots. There's been a lot of talk about metaverse recently. You can check out our video on metaverse for better understanding. Link is given in the description. Metaverse is basically a virtual world where your digital avatar will be able to interact with other people's avatar in a virtual environment of your own choosing. You can access those avatars by devices like VR headset and connect with world sitting on your couch. Now imagine those avatars in the real world. What if you put all of coding that goes into avatar in a humanoid robot, Ameca? You can bring your metaverse character into the real world. Now you will be able to move your robot in real world like you move any game character on digital platform. With some embodiment and aesthetics already available, and with the little effort, this robot may even look like you or any character you want. Imagine sitting in London, you can send your virtual self to Delhi, New York, Shanghai for a meeting. You can communicate and express yourself and perform all your tasks with your android sitting across the world. Astronauts face so many challenges going to space. We are hesitant sending people to space due to the life-threatening risk. Humans going to Mars is exciting but risky because of the challenges deep space travel brings. But with this development, we will be able to send our humanoid robot copy to far distances without even worrying about those space dangers. Elon Musk Neuralink is working on copying human brain, and if they achieve it, there will be an artificial body ready for your consciousness. If it becomes possible, humans will be able to live even after death with their digital brain in humanoid robot. Since all this is in research phase, the cost of such hardware considered to be high. Will Jackson estimates something above 100,000 UK, which is more than 130,000 US dollars for humanoid hardware. And with added cost of AI, it will be far more than this. And like in every tech, initial cost will be high and unaffordable, but ultimately it will be in the hands of common people. You can see how such a development in robotics is like that missing piece of great puzzle, and when put together with all the other technologies, a new revolution in future looks more real than a sci-fi, which will change our lives. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support boosts us to work harder and bring all the latest news in the tech world.